Well, hello everybody. What you're looking at is the underside of an oven, model FGF 353BAWA. This oven here has a bad igniter and we're going to replace it. There's a couple of ways that you can disconnect the electricity coming into it. You can either pull it out and unplug the power cord, or in the case of mine right here, the power cord comes through right here and you have a disconnect. So in that case we're gonna just disconnect it right here. That cuts the power to the entire stove. And then we're gonna go up above here and remove all the necessary panels and the igniter and show you how that's changed. Okay. The only thing one of the things you lose by unplugging it is the oven light, which makes it easier. They do say you should remove the door, but this one's probably 20 years old and I don't want to mess with screws. I don't have to. So right here in the back there's a couple thumb screws that I never tighten them down because one, they'll rust in place, and two, makes it easier to take your panels out to clean it. So there's two of these. Let's see if that'll focus there. They are flathead. And once you get those out, this will pop up. Tilt it like you would an oven rack. Push to the back. And then lift up. Tilt back again. And slide it out. It can be a little tricky if you haven't done it before because there is a lip underneath the front here. And then we have to remove the burner cover here. And that consists of two screws and a bolt. There's a nut in the middle here you need to remove if it will let you. It's 3/8. If it doesn't want to break loose right away, you might want to spray it. Gently work it back and forth because there is a lot of heat, as you can see in this area. With this one, like I said, I don't make these too tight so I can take it apart and clean it. This thing's spill. And the other one you're going to need is a 1/4 inch. So remember, 1/4 inch, 3/8. If I didn't mention before, some of the symptoms of this oven, it was not heating evenly, and the bigger one, a lot of times it would, when it ignited, you would hear a loud boom. It had delayed ignition. And the igniter is this piece right back here. I checked the ohms, I ohmed it out, and the one that's in here, as it gets older, it seems that the resistance increases. This was at about 300 ohms and the new one's at 55. So I can take this insulation off and set them for now. You can see that's how the other one looked when I replaced it, in almost the exact same spot. Pretty toasty. Yeah, that's good. Got the new igniter here. I'm just going to feed the wires down through here. This one here, this part number is a universal fit. And from the manufacturer I found out that they pretty much all are. On this particular series I'll list the part number below. It's just a matter of, do they come with a wiring harness, and how long is the wiring, but the amperage rating is the same. It's just the wire length and whether or not they have these shields, type of mounting brackets. Okay, that's in there tight. Okay, got both of the igniter wires coming down the back. The first one to hook up, this one here with its insulating sleeve, goes on my stove, goes on this back terminal of the gas stop. So we're just going to plug that in. Put the covering down over the terminal. And this is one of the reasons why I cut the wires shorter. That way you don't have a bunch of wiring stuffed up under here. When I did it before, there was, you know, like 10 inches of wiring. This plug here goes in two different places. Plugs into the side harness. This one wire right here, you'll see I'm feeding it behind the gas valve. That goes, you can see this wire here, there's a blue wire, and then this snaps in right on the other side. Okay, that's in there. And then these guys, that goes right here. Yep. And then we'll slide this insulator right over it. And I apologize for that light. The only thing we got to do now is we're going to connect the electricity. We're done down here. We'll put a burner plate in. Got the igniter glowing. A lot brighter than the other one, I'll tell you that. And we have ignition. Oh yeah, that fired up real quick. So we're going to turn that off. And you'll see the igniter dims down. And once the voltage drops, gas shuts off. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Oh, that's lovely. You had to burn out right now, didn't you?